This is a tutorial for week 28. So let's start off by looking at the writing page, which is on page 29. Now this was for last week, but a few did not finish it, so I just want to give you a quick look at what it should look like when you're done. This is page 29, and you see in the B section, I've selected 4 cards, and I copied them in there. And then I used that rhythm, and I added pitches to compose a melody. So I played do, re, mi, so, mi, so, fa, mi, re, do, mi, so, do. Now, if you're having trouble figuring out what to add in those points, then not to worry, because those can be, you can use your blue cards, and those could be very helpful. You could also use any of the notes from do, re, mi, fa, so in D position. So that means if I just erase mine for a moment. So let's just show you those notes. I could use do or re. I'll need more room. Mi, oops. Mi, fa, so. I would stay within those 5 choices because you could play them in the 5-finger position, and you're just making up different combinations, and then you're adding the rhythm. So one little tip too when you're doing this, if you notice that over here there are 6 notes, that's how many notes you put in here. So I could do so, mi, do, do. There are endless varieties, but I just happen to pick that today. And then over here, let's see, I have a choice of 4 notes. How about re, so? I'll repeat that. Re, so. All right. And on and on. Now, of course, you want to be able to play it. Okay, let's go to the next point here. I'll stop sharing that, and let's look at our assignment at major scales. Oh, great, here we go. I'm always looking for that fingering. And then I'm going to do it for the other hand as well. See that? I need to bring the 3 over so that I have 3 fingers to play, and the thumb comes under. G major. Exactly the same fingering. And now we do D major. It should always sound like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. If we don't have that sound, then it's not the major sound. Left hand. right, follow me. We're reviewing it. Now, we've done plenty of tutorials and you could look over, but I'll just play it through. Follow, 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 follow me. Let's make a line for all to see. Do you think it could do it in G major? Let me bring this up a little so that we have a little bit more span of notes so you can see G major. That should do it. Ah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Same exact motion. Do, ti, la, so. Fa, 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 mi, mi, re, re, do. Ooh, I don't like it down here. Too boomy. Should have been up here. I like it better here. You could do it in D major. All right, on to Canoe Song. My paddles keen and bright, flashing like silver, follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. Do you notice the left hand is just open fifths? And you may not play them because you have to do the crossover. Warm up. C minor position. Ti, do, re, mi, la, mi, re, do, ti, la. I added that because I want to make sure I get back there after I go across. Mi, re, do, la. Mi, re, do, la. Mi, re, do, la. Mi, re, do, la. My paddles keen and bright. Do, re, mi, la. Do, re, mi, la. Do, re, mi, la. Do, re, mi, la. Don't forget you can pause anytime. Flashing like silver. Both parts. My paddles keen and bright, flashing like silver. What comes next? Follow the wild goose flight. Which pattern? Follow the wild goose flight. Yeah, the first pattern. And I bet you know the next part. Dip, dip, and swing. And if you want to make it fun, do both. My paddles keen and bright, flashing like silver. Follow the wild goose flight. Dip, dip, and swing. My paddles keen and bright, flashing like silver. Follow the wild goose flight. Dip, dip, and swing. let's go to lightly row and let's review that one. Remember, you could play these pieces. You can also go and play another piece that you may not have done yet. Where is it? Nope. It's back here somewhere. There it is. Okay. So this piece is lightly row. I'm going to follow it. You're going to follow the dots, okay? So, mi, fa, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, so, mi, fa, re, do, mi, so, do. I think I'm in C, oh well. Re, mi, fa, mi, fa, so. And you remember what this means? Go back to so, mi, fa, do, mi, so, do. So now if you look at my screen, you'll notice that I played the middle line twice. Another way you can practice this is doing the rhythm. Yeah, absolutely. Here we go. I'll do that in blue. Do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do. I can also work on the chords. One chord. Oops, silly me. 5, 7 chord. One chord. One chord. One chord. 5, 7 chord. Oh, these go fast. 1, 5, 7, 1 chord. 5, 7, 5, 7, 1 chord. 1 chord, 5, 7, and we go back to the middle line. Okay, here are the different ways you can practice this. 1 chord, 5, 7, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7, 1 chord, 1, 5, 7, 1 chord, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1. Option 2. Playing the melody. Back to the middle line. And you could do it with the chords. The chords are directly below the note that you're going to play it with. They are aligned. And I forgot that chord. That's a good one to practice. That was fun. It feels so comfortable in the hands. All right, I look down and it says to play other favorite pieces. I trust you know what to do there. And then the minor melody chords practiced Disc 2, number 19 with the purple cards. Now, have you done it? I know it's so tempting to just let this one go, but don't let it go. These are the important ones. These are the ones when you hear some of your fellow students and they just have it on, it's because they've been doing that every day. And so it's like second nature to them. So just try it out for a week, for a whole week. I want you to do it every day until you get really good at those purple melody cards. And then it says to drum daily. Hey, don't leave that out. By the way, 5 o'clock talk is so much fun to drum along with. And you can drum any old way. You could dance to it. It's just really what it's telling you. It's time to go listen to some music. And I'm particular this one because then you're more familiar with it when we use it in class. All right, that is the tutorial in a nutshell. I hope this helps you practice this week and have lots of merry music making. I'll see you in class.